If you want to create a shortcut on your Chrome homepage, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Chrome shortcuts are a great way to quickly open your favorite websites right from a new tab page without having to type the full address every time. Whether you want to add YouTube, Gmail, a work site, or any other page you visit often, this simple method can save you time every single day. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll want to open a new tab so you can access the Chrome homepage. The fastest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This takes you straight to the new tab page, where Chrome usually shows your most visited sites and shortcut options. On this homepage, look for the Add Shortcut button. If you don't see it right away, it may be in the shortcut area below the search bar. Click Add Shortcut and Chrome will open a small setup window where you can create your custom link. Now it's time to enter the details for your shortcut. In the shortcut name field, type the name you want to appear on your Chrome homepage. This could be something simple like YouTube, Gmail, Facebook, or even the name of your own website. In the website address field, type the full URL of the page you want to save. For example, if you want to create a shortcut for YouTube, you would enter https://youtube.com. Make sure the address is typed correctly so the shortcut opens the right page when you click it later. After filling in both fields, click Done to save it. As soon as you do that, Chrome will add the shortcut to your homepage. You should now see it appear on the new tab page, ready to use whenever you need it. From here, you can click that shortcut anytime to go directly to the website you saved. This is especially useful if you have websites you check daily because it keeps everything just one click away. And that's it. You've now created a shortcut on the Chrome homepage. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make browsing much faster and more convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.